Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will guide you through the options for using ebooks or print books during your certification exam. We will discuss the exciting flexibility ebook offer, what allowed in both ebooks and print books during the exam, and how to navigate and utilize ebooks effectively. So without further ado, let's get started. AAPC ebooks are now allowed for use in AAPC exams. Member will have the option of using printed books or ebooks to take their exam. In fact, now you can purchase print books, ebooks, or both at the same time you purchase your exam voucher. It doesn't mean you can use both of them during the exam. You must select your preference when redeeming your exam voucher. When you schedule your exam, you will have the option to choose whether you want to take the exam with printed books or ebooks. You cannot use both options. You must choose either print or ebooks for the exam. The AAPC offer flexibility by allowing you to switch to ebooks up to 48 hours before your exam. So if you initially plan to use print books but decide to switch to ebooks within 2 days or 48 hours of the exam, you still have the option to make the change. If you have purchased or scheduled an exam voucher before January 27, 2025, your book selection will be default to print books. If you prefer ebooks, visit your courses and exam on aepc.com to update your selection. Please note, changes must be made at least 48 hours before your scheduled exam. Using an ebook during your exam reduces the time as it allows you to quickly find codes, guidelines, and index entries. Search result can find the code everywhere it exists, including guidelines and the index. You can study from anywhere, anytime using ebooks and without lugging heavy books around. Ebooks are designed to streamline the exam process, saving your time. The ebooks used for the exam is the version provided through the exam platform to ensure a consistent and fair testing environment for all participants. Therefore, any notes or highlights in your current ebooks will not be available during the certification exam. However, you will have access to a search function to help locate the information you need. Your personal annotations won't be available during the exam. In print books, handwritten notes are allowed in your coding books as long as they relate to daily coding activities. Just be sure the tabs are used to highlight important pages with words or number rather than supplementing information in the book. Please note that notes from study guides, practice exam, or exam questions are not permitted. Don't alter reference pages, marketing pages, or table of contents. If you selected ebooks at the time of scheduling, after the AEPC agreement, you will receive a virtual source agreement. This allows the use of ebooks during the exam. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Agree and Continue. When you are ready to begin, click button Ready to begin. Once you enter the exam, you will see the ebooks for the exam included on the right screen. Click the slide button on the right side for expanding or collapsing the panel. After expanding the panel, you will see the 2025 AMS CPT, ICD 10 cm, HCPCS Level 2, and ICD 10 PCS books listed below. To open any of these books, simply click on the title. The book can also be undocked by clicking the undock button. After undocking, you can move the panel to any part of the screen. You can undock one book, then undock another, and use them side by side. Once undocked, you can move the book in the panel using the plus sign. You can resize the panel by dragging its edges or corner. The panel also has option to refresh if the book fails to upload. You can click the full screen button to make the book take up to entire screen. The button next to the full screen button will return the book to dock on the right hand side. After using the search option and getting the result, clicking on the CPT code will take you directly to date location in the book. Clicking on the three bars on the left will open the table of contents. Click on any item to go to date section of the book. Clicking the ribbon at the bottom left of the screen will bookmark the page. Access your saved bookmarks in the top right corner of the screen and you can jump back to any section you have saved. Next to the bookmark, you can access the reader preferences. In the reader preferences panel, you can adjust the text size, font style, and switch between day, night, sepia, and cyan modes, as well as adjust the line height. You can reset everything to the original publisher setting here. Access your highlighters by clicking on highlighters at the top. From there, you can enable fast highlighting, which will automatically highlight any text you click on within the book. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.